Hello, happy afternoon. It's good to see everybody. You asked me to make green chili enchiladas weeks ago, and I am doing it today. So I've already assembled them. I'm going to cook them, and then when I'm done cooking them, I'll come back here. I'll add some photos in the comments below, and I'll type out the directions for you of everything that you're going to need to do it. So this is kind of an overview so you get the idea of what I did. If you're watching, say hi. Tell me that you're watching. I'm going to show you what I've got, which is getting ready to go in the oven. These are soon to be cooked green chili enchiladas. And they are going in the oven for about 30 minutes and they will be done. I took one out so that I could sort of disassemble it and show you what I did. So this is the inside of my green chili enchilada. And here's what we did. I started with a canned green enchilada sauce that was program compatible. This particular green chili enchilada sauce has 20 calories per serving, and the whole can has 5 servings. And it has less than 3 grams of fat and less than 3 grams of carb. If you remember on your menu, when we talk about liquid condiments, in this section here, whenever you're going to pick something like a salad dressing or a sauce, you can have 2 liquid condiments per day, 2 servings, and it's going to have less than 3 grams of fat and less than 3 grams of carb. So this meets our guidelines. So we're going to use this as our sauce. I used the whole can because I'm making 6 enchiladas. So we're totally set with that. I poured this in a saucepan with 2 tablespoons of green chilies. These are just green chilies. The ingredients include water and green chilies. There's a little bit of sodium, but totally within our guidelines. The sodium amount is under 200 milligrams. So I used 2 tablespoons in my sauce. You could use more if you love it. I have a sensitive stomach, so I didn't use too much, but you could certainly use the whole can if you wanted to. I brought that to a boil, and then I divided it up in half. So what I did was I reserved half in my measuring cup, and that's what I poured over the top. The other half went in a container, and that container was chicken. I used chicken that I'd cooked earlier in the week, but you could, if you chose, boil, grill, shred some chicken. This is 12 ounces of chicken. I put in a bowl and I shred it. I added cheese. I added half of my enchilada sauce. And most recipes call for sour cream or cream cheese, but I used plain low-fat, fat-free Greek yogurt. This is a wonderful alternative to sour cream. So there's 4 ounces in there. That's one of our protein servings. So my chicken has Greek yogurt, cheese, chicken, and enchilada sauce. And then all I did, and there'll be pictures, was laid out 6 tortillas, and then I evenly stuffed them with my cheese and chicken mixture, which is cheese, chicken, Greek yogurt, and enchilada sauce. When I got it in here, I then rolled it up. Bring it over here so you can see me. So what I did was, this has already been done. I took it apart because I felt like you really deserved to see it. But what I did was I rolled it up like so. And then it's going to go in the pan. Right there. We'll put her cheese back on her. And she's ready to go. So I did that with 6. So this is going to make 6 enchiladas. Each enchilada will replace your protein and your carbohydrate. This will make 6. You could feed your family, or you can have lots of great leftovers. You could also cut this recipe down when I post it and maybe make 3 enchiladas if you're doing it just for yourself. We're going to place this in the oven. We've got our cheese melted on the top and our enchilada sauce on top. When we're done, we'll have 6 enchiladas, which will be 6 servings. So this, my friends, for you today is, oh, I got a little bit of sauce left in the jar. Look at there. There's that yummy sauce. See that good sauce? So you've got green enchiladas, green chili enchiladas. Feel free to use as many green chilies as you like. I'm a wimp, but you could use more. And if you have other seasonings that you really enjoy putting in your chicken, feel free to do that. I used leftover chicken that I had prepped earlier in the week, but it was actually wonderfully seasoned, so it started off great. But if you wanted to just use plain chicken that you have or frozen chicken, you could cook it or just boil it. It would make it nice and soft, and then shred it up. And then season it. If you're starting with very plain chicken, you may want to season it with a little salt and pepper. A little bit of poultry seasoning would be great. It would give it kind of a deep chicken kind of poultry flavor. And then you're going to put your sauce in here. But the thing is, the enchilada sauce and the green chilies add all the flavor. So you're good to go no matter what you do. Leftover chicken. So I'll post pictures and the full recipe for you in the comments. If you're watching, say hi. Tell me where you're watching from. If you catch this on the replay, say hi and tell me that you're watching on the replay. Tell me what center you visit. And I hope that you enjoy my green chili enchiladas. I'll post all the details for you by the end of the day today, including pictures of the completed product. Bye, guys.